So this video will show you how to just pure and simply install Google Chrome. This is the basic 101 of that. So what you're going to do is open up whatever browser you are comfortable with or are currently using at the moment. On a Mac, that could be Safari by default. You'll definitely have that installed. Opera, you may have Firefox or DuckDuckGo, but whatever browser that you're working from. On a PC, it could be Internet Explorer, it could be, what's the new one, the Edge? I'm not as familiar with PC, but whatever browser that you search the internet with, go ahead and type or do a search for Google Chrome, and it'll be most likely the very first option there on your screen. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Google Chrome, and it is going to automatically detect what I'm using and which version of the software to install. But if it does not, I'm going to show you how to double check as well. All right, here is the button for downloading Chrome. It says that I am on a Mac OS X, and that is correct. So I'm going to go ahead and click download Chrome. And it's just going to go through these 3 steps here. Step 1, you're going to open it up. Step 2, you're going to install and drag it to your applications folder. And 3, you're going to launch it. So I trust that you'll be able to do those 3 steps right there, following the directions given on the internet, on the browser there. If you do need another platform, or if you're not sure if it's installing the correct version that you need, down here at the bottom, in other platforms, you are able to select something. So if you're running a previous version of Mac or a frozen version of XP or Vista, there's lots of different ones to choose from. If it's Android or iOS, you'll be able to download those as well. So if you have any questions or need help, let's hop on a Zoom call and get this installed for you.